Hey golfers, today we're breaking down the top 5 drivers on the market and ranking them from worst to best. If you want more distance, forgiveness, or better control over your shots, we have a driver here that's just right for you. Let's get to it. Starting at number 5, we have the TaylorMade Sim 2 Max Draw. Designed for speed, power, and maximum forgiveness, this club is designed for golfers who want to launch higher, hit straighter, and drive with confidence. TaylorMade is known for innovation, and the Sim 2 Max Draw delivers. It's built with forged ring construction, meaning the club's frame is made from a single, strong piece of aluminum that holds everything together. This makes the driver more stable and forgiving, meaning if you don't hit the ball perfectly, your ball still stays in play and travels a good distance. If you struggle with a slice, which means that right-handed golfers see their ball swinging to the right, or left-handed golfers see their ball swinging to the left, this driver is designed to help you straighten out your shots. The draw bias built into the club promotes a right-to-left ball flight for right-handed golfers, helping you correct your slices and keep your shots on the fairway. To make your drives even more consistent and powerful, the 24-gram tungsten weight in the club head increases stability, so the club doesn't twist as much on off-centered shots. The TPS front weight helps fine-tune launch, which is how high the ball goes, and spin, which is how much the ball rotates in the air, for a balanced control drive. Speed is key in golf, and the inertia generator makes the club more aerodynamic, meaning that it cuts through the air more easily and increases club head speed without you having to swing harder. The speed-injected twist face ensures that the club is fine-tuned for maximum speed, helping your drive go as far as possible while still keeping within the rules. The through slot speed pocket adds forgiveness, especially when you hit the ball too low on the club face, making sure that even mishits still travel a good distance. We've all stepped onto the tee expecting to hit that perfect shot, only to see the ball slice into the rough. The Sim 2 Max Draw helps prevent that frustration, giving you straighter, longer drives and more confidence every single time you tee up. At number 4, we have the Cobra LTDx Max. This driver blends speed and forgiveness with some serious tech, making it a great choice for golfers who want to hit longer, straighter drives with confidence. Cobra's PWR core technology helps you hit longer drives by maximizing energy transfer, meaning more of your swing's power is delivered directly to the ball. By placing extra weight low and forward on the club head, Cobra increases ball speed while reducing backspin, so your shots stay in the air longer and roll farther when they land on the ground. The HOT face, which is the highly optimized technology, is designed with 15 different thickness zones across the club face. This means that even your off-centered hits towards the heel or toe still get solid distance. You don't have to hit the sweet spot of the club, which is the dead center of the club, every single time to get that perfect shot and good distance. The LTDx Max driver is made with 30% more carbon fiber, making it lighter and more stable. Cobra has removed weight where you don't need it and added it where it matters most, helping you swing faster while keeping your shot straighter. If you struggle with keeping your shots in the fairway, the LTDx Max is designed to help you. It offers a high-MOI, which is resistance to twisting on mishits, making your shots more consistent and forgiving. While this may not be the absolute longest driver, it's the perfect balance of power, forgiveness, and control, helping you hit longer, straighter shots with more confidence. Coming in at number 3, we have the Callaway Paradym driver. This was one of the most talked about drivers when it landed, and for good reason. Callaway's Paradym driver introduces a 360-degree carbon chassis, a groundbreaking design that is 44% lighter than traditional titanium. This weight reduction allows for a higher momentum of inertia, which helps resist twisting on mishits, as well as increased forgiveness, meaning longer, straighter, and more consistent drives, even when your shot isn't perfect. Stability leads to more speed, and Callaway's AI jailbreak design system reinforces the driver's head while being 33% lighter than before. This means faster ball speed and better energy transfer. So whether you hit the sweet spot or catch the ball slightly off center, you still get solid speed and distance. The AI optimized club face isn't just built for speed, it also fine-tunes launch, spin, and accuracy. If you've ever had a round where your shots feel solid, but your ball still ends up all over the place, this technology helps you reduce those wayward misses and keeps you on the fairway. For the first time in a drive, driver, Callaway has combined speed-enhancing face cup technology with a forged titanium face, creating explosive ball speeds while still maintaining great feel and control. Most drivers focus on either distance or forgiveness, but the Paradym driver gives you both, so you can swing confidently without sacrificing accuracy. Are you struggling with a fade or trying to keep your drive straighter? The adjustable perimeter weighting allows for up to 12 yards of shot shape correction, giving you more control over your ball flight and helping you hit more fairways. While it may not be the strongest shape shot correction among all drivers, the Paradym driver is an excellent all-rounder, blending speed, forgiveness, and adjustability to help you play your best golf. Have you stepped up to the tee, took what felt like the perfect swing, and still watched your ball drift way off course? The TaylorMade Style 2 is here to fix that, helping you launch higher, hit straighter, and drive with confidence, even when your swing is not tour level perfect. The Style 2 driver features forged ring construction, a higher strength aluminum frame that connects key parts of the club head for maximum power and stability. Now, what does this mean for you? A solid pure feel on contact and forgiveness. So even when you don't hit that perfect shot, you still get great results. Have you ever hit a drive too low, watching it roll into the rough instead of soaring down the fairway? With a 24-gram tungsten weight deep in the club head, the Style 2 has a higher momentum of inertia, means it resists twisting on mishits for better stability. The TPS front weight helps fine-tune launch and spin, giving you an ideal mix of height and control. Do you want more distance without having to swing harder? TaylorMade's inertia generator makes the club more aerodynamic, meaning less drag and higher club head speed. Have you ever wondered how some golfers hit the ball far without having to swing hard? This is the secret. Speed equals distance, and the speed-injected twist face ensures that every driver is fine-tuned to the legal limits. The through-slot speed pocket keeps mishits fast, so even if you hit the ball low on the face, you still get solid distance. And if you're still struggling with that slice, the Style 2 Max helps promote a right-to-left ball flight, making it easier to hit straighter shots and keep your ball in the middle of the fairway. The TaylorMade Style 2 is long, forgiving, and incredibly stable. While it may not be the absolute longest driver out there, this driver comes very close. If you want extra distance, straighter shots, and more confidence off the tee, this driver delivers. And finally, taking the spot at number 1, we have the Callaway AI Paradym Smoke. This isn't just another driver. It's the first AI smart face driver, and this changes the game. The Paradym AI Smoke isn't just another driver. It's a game changer using real player data. Instead of forcing you to change your swing, this driver adapts to your natural motion, making it easier for you to get better results without needing to be a pro. Have you ever felt like your driver is working against you? The Paradym AI Smoke is designed to work with you, improving consistency, distance, and forgiveness. I'm not sure about you, but every time I hit a ball, it is not dead center. And that's why Callaway designed micro deflection technology, giving the driver multiple sweet spots instead of just one. That means more consistent shots, fewer frustrating mishits, and more confidence every time you tee up. The new 360-degree carbon chassis is 15% lighter than before, making it easier to generate speed effortlessly. Ever felt like your driver was too heavy, making your swing feel stiff or sluggish? The lighter design helps you maximize power while still keeping your shot straighter and more controlled, almost like the club is doing the work for you. Are you struggling with a slice or looking to fine-tune your shot shape? The Max version has adjustable perimeter weighting, allowing you to correct up to 19 yards of right or left movement. That's the difference between confidently finding the fairway or spending your round searching for your ball in the rough. The Paradym AI Smoke is designed to build confidence for every golfer. And that's why this is our top choice club. Because it's not just the driver, it's a shortcut to a better game. So there you have it, our top 5 drivers ranked from worst to best. And my go-to driver is the Paradym AI Smoke because it makes my game easier and more forgiving. As a golfer, one of the most difficult challenges I face is being consistent. Sometimes I hit the ball perfect and it rolls down the fairway, and sometimes I just can't find my ball. And this driver still helps my off-centered shots find the fairway. If you're interested in checking out this driver or any of the other drivers that we have mentioned in this video, we've included links to all the products in the description description below. And if you decide to use those links, we do earn a small referral at no cost to you. It just helps support the channel so we can continue bringing free content like this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell in the corner so you never miss another video on the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.